Alright, we're going to start this video day 33. Tony Dorsett. You guys missed me yesterday. I said Emmett Smith on day 30 for 33. Today, Tony Dorsett 33. 33. Today's. Alright, so we're taking the dumpster. It's going to go empty it and bring it back later. And so we're loading up all whatever trash we can put into it. And then so meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing my sanding my steel. Let me walk around so I don't get hit by a car. So there's some tricks that are going on here that we have to do. Let's see if you guys noticed. You haven't said anything lately, but comical as it is, they installed this window backwards, so they gotta take it and put it in. So they're gonna take it out and redo it. So let's go inside. They're cleaning up. Young lady out here is sweeping and cleaning. Okay, so we're doing a cleanup day today, and then we're checking all the drywall. And got to chip that out. I gotta see if you can bring me the chipping hammer. Clean everything. Wow, hello.
Hello.
Okay. All right. So not a whole lot's going to go on today. You probably won't have a video other than maybe a couple of times of me doing the sanding. I really don't know that I'll do that. This may just be a very short 2-minute video explaining what's going on. So it's a late day today. It's already almost noon, and I had returned all the tile. So we returned the tile and I bought new tile. So apparently the tile that I had, I needed porcelain or ceramic, and I bought porcelain or some shit. So I spent more money, bought new tile. That's coming in next week. So we got a delay. So other than that, you're gonna see me doing nothing but grinding. All right, and we'll spend some time doing that. And then probably tomorrow, if I'm not done with the grinding today, tomorrow maybe we'll start tearing out the shed and get that ready for the new clean dumpster. So other than that, I think everything is good. So just getting ready for the new dumpster, and then we'll be ready for the tile or paint, and switching out the outlets. So I guess there's still a lot to do. Anyways, I'm just blabbing just to keep you on thing for 3 minutes, because there's nothing else to do. All right, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. All right, day 33 comes to a close. I was only able to do one beam grinding, so I still got 1, 2, 3 more beams. Hopefully I can get these done tomorrow. I started real late today, 2:30 in the afternoon. By the time I got here to do any work, contractor inside was sanding all the walls, getting them smooth out, ready for paint. So I think it feels real smooth. Oh, we gotta touch that up. So let's see how smooth this feels. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. All right. Now the biggest problem is putting my TV here or putting my TV here, but I have to cut the wall and mount a bracket in the back to support wood beams, whatever it is, to support the bracket, which I should have done last week, and I didn't. So that's my own fault. All right, we switched this around. Did we switch this around? Yeah. So this is switched around. It's in the right position now. And that's it, day 33. Nothing was going on. We did a little cleanup in the back. Light crew. Maybe have a crew tomorrow. Who knows? Little by little. So I got to move my fire pit. I'm going to move it somewhere. Maybe I'll move it over here or move it somewhere just to make it an organized area. Might save 1 or 2 of those things for my pit. So that's it. Nothing going on today. Nothing going on but the rent. So I guess is the calm before the storm. So we shall see. More to come. So shit, we're still waiting on the AC guys. I don't know what happened out. We got the AC guys coming. We got the foam going upstairs. There's still a lot going on. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching nothing of grinding. Tomorrow may be the same thing, nothing but grinding. So we'll see. It is what it is. Well, grand finale coming soon. Not now. Okay, this one stays on. All right, we'll see you later. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's day 34. Who was 34? Wasn't that Earl Campbell? So today's Emmett Smith, tomorrow's Earl Campbell. Okay. Talk to you later. All right, I caught myself again. I said today was Emmett Smith. No, today's Tony Dorsett. Tomorrow's Earl Campbell. Gotcha. So, can't forget my boy TD. Anyways, we're all good. Oops. Tomorrow starts a new day no matter what.